I'm at the Wooden Shoe Tulip Festival with Barb. And so Barb, it's kind of a week after this snow, but what happened down here?
You know, we didn't get any snow at all. We're kind of what we call in a banana belt here. It's kind of just the way things line up, but a lot of times we don't get the snow that everybody else gets. But we got the hail. So we had a lot of hail over the weekend, and it was, it's kind of cool because it fell in the cups and the tulips kind of held it up. Yeah, it was really something I've never seen before.
I know, but look behind us. It is just perfect. And I think with the cold weather, does it let the blooms last longer?
Oh yeah, tulips don't mind weather like this. I don't like it, but no, the tulips, if it gets up to 80, 90 degrees, tulips don't like that.
Sure.
That's what they don't like. But this kind of weather, they thrive in. And so you can see the colors just lasting this year.
It is just amazing. And really, to come out now, and if this hasn't made you want to have tulips in your garden for springtime, I don't know what's going to make people understand that, because look at them, they're just gorgeous.
They really are, and you can extend that bloom time. We have a catalog out here, or you can go out to our display bed and look at the different categories that are in bloom. And we've got the early ones that bloomed and are done now, but then now we have the single lates and some of the parrots and things like that are in bloom, and they're usually later in the season. So you can really get 2 months of bloom with tulips.
That is great. And now I heard that you're extending because of this cool weather.
We are, although we don't like this weather, the tulips thrive in this weather. So we're going through Mother's Day, so it's May 8th. We usually go that first weekend in May, and May 8th is like one day off of what we could be, but
of course.
The color's going to be here, so we thought, why not?
Yeah, and so tell us about how to get tickets, how to get in.
So the best way to do it is we've gone to time ticketing, so 100% online time ticketing. That's the best way, because what it's done is really it's paced out the people coming in, and we don't have the lines anymore. So it really, for your whole experience to get here, you're not sitting in a car with a couple grumpy people that are saying, why are we doing this?
Right.
You can drive right in.
And to come out with your family and friends and bring your camera and really enjoy, you can stroll through, there's not that crush of people. I mean, there's people here and that's enjoyable, but really to enjoy the flowers is the main thing.
It really is that experience. Experience the beauty is what we call.
Yeah.
And get out and explore the whole field. It's a huge field. You can go to the far side over there. There's a little hill there. You go down there, it's like you're there by yourself.
Right,
so
right.
It's nice.
Right. And Barb, to experience the blooms is one thing, but there's so much more to do.
Oh, there really is. We've got our own wines, so we've got our vineyards and some great wines to come out. So come out and try those. The other thing is kids activities. So there's bounce houses, different things for kids to do, both free and some paid. But the kids really, it's kind of a lure. I drove the tram yesterday and they were saying, well, now we get to go, we were good out in the field, now we get to go on the kids stuff. So it's one way to kind of bribe the kids. And then food, we've got a great selection of food this year. So vegan, vegetarian, and just, good old barbecue stuff. There's great selection.
Something for everyone.
That's right.
And it's walkable. I've been walking in my walker, I have good boots on, I got my coat on, I have a hood, so really dress for the weather. And then just like Barb said, just enjoy the experience. You could take tulips home right now to enjoy, or you can order them to have and then plant them in your own garden for next year. This has been so much fun to come out today and just experience it in this kind of crazy weather that we're having this year.
It is crazy weather, but yeah, just put your hood up and
definitely.
And we'll enjoy the rain too.
Enjoy the rain. If you want any more information, please go to Garden Time, and also like them on Facebook, because there are amazing photos there every day showing you what the fields look like. Thanks so, Barb. Thanks so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming out.